Hi children, welcome back to online class. Already in previous class studied about the revisiting of irrational numbers already over. I will give that homework also. Now in this class studied about the revisiting rational numbers and their decimal exponentials. Okay, so what is the already you know in I will explain the in first class only what is rational numbers and what is irrational numbers already you know. Okay, so in examples given in decimal form in how to solve the in fraction method, nothing but rational form. Okay children, given in decimal form like 0.375, 0.140 and 0.0875 and 23.3408. This only we know that decimal form. So in given in decimal form, how to solve in rational numbers system. Okay children, you see already you know rational numbers is what is this? So we should write the adding, revisiting rational number and they decimal exponentials. Revisiting rational numbers and their decimal exponentials. Okay children, so rational numbers, there are 2 points there. Rational number. So rational number is in the form of p by q, q not equal to 0 is called the rational number. So irrational number, irrational number is, this is no in the ratio, no ratio is called irrational number, but is given in decimal form. How to solve the some problems? Okay children, first one you should take the, which one is that? First one is 0.375. Okay children, you see 0 point is coming means that is the decimal exponential. Okay, 0.375. okay, so here how to write? So 1 2 3 you should write. Okay children, so this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place. Okay, 100 into 100, sorry 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 0 0 0 0 0 1 was the 1. How many? So this is 1000. Okay children, after coming 375. Okay, which one is? This is the numerator, this is the denominator. Okay, I have started this already you know in fractions. Which one is numerator, which one is denominator? We should take the denominator. Okay, we should take the denominator 1000. We should do the prime factorization. 2 5s are, okay, 0 0, 2 2s are, 2 5s are 0. Here 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are. Here 5 2s are, 5 5s are. Okay, 5 5 5s are 25. The prime factorization is 2 into here, where is it right? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. 2 to the power of 3 and 5 to the power of 2. Okay, you should write in numerator also. You should multiply 3 into 53 by. Okay, so enough is there. Okay, only you should write the rational numbers is in the form of p by q. Now the discussion about the So this is using the prime factorization. Okay, okay children. Okay, let it be. Now next discussion about this one. Okay, 375 by 10 to the power of 3. Okay, this is the given in decimal form. We should convert it in the rational form. Okay, so you should take the second one problem 0.1304. Okay, how to write here? 104 should write the numerator, denominator 1, ones place, tens place, 100 place, 0.00. You should put so 1000. Okay, here 104 divided by 10 to the power of 3. Okay, having got it, we should solve that third one and fourth one. You should do it home. Okay, some example is there. In now next we shall continue how to coming in 0.35, 0.375 using the factorization method. I will show that only using in the factorization method. Okay children, we should still 3 and 4 we should do in home. Now next we shall take the 3 point, sorry, we should give the first one. As one would expect, they can all expressed as the rational numbers whose denominator are powers of 10. Let us try and cancel the common factors between the numerator and denominator. So this is explained by this one example. Now only converted into the decimal into the rational numbers. Now next, so which one denominator 1000 coming now, that is the using factorization method, prime factorization method. So first 0.375. Okay, already know 375 375 by 1000. Okay children. Okay, 375 by 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3. Okay, we should here 1000 is there now. 1000 using prime factorization method. 2 5s are 0 0, 2 2s are 2 5s are. Okay, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. Sorry, now take another prime number. 5 2s are 5 2s are. Okay, 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 5s are. So already you know prime number that has the number having only one and itself. Okay, only one and itself is called prime number. The other than one and itself is called as a composite number. Okay children, so you should write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 3. Okay, 3 by 7 by 2 to the power of 3 and 5 to the power of 3. Okay children, you should see that. Now next we should take the first, I will take the denominator prime factorization method. Now take 375. Okay, you should take 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are. Okay, 3 4s are 3 1s are. Okay, oh no. Okay, 5 you should take 5 6s are 5 7s are. Okay, 5 7s are 35. So 5 3s are 15. So here 1 minute 375 into 5 into 3 no. Okay, 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 2s are 10 and still 2 5 5s are 25. Okay, 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, 3 into 5 to the 5 to the power of 3, 5 to the power of 3 and 5 to the power of 3 get cancelled is equal to 3 by 23. First we should take the numerator. Numerator we should take the prime factorization method, and denominator also using the prime factorization method. Okay children, 3 by 2 3 by to the power of 3 is the answer. Okay, we will check it in still second, third, fourth problem. Okay children, now next sum. Theorem is that, you see theorem 8.5. Okay, let x be a rational number whose decimal exponential terminates, then x be a expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are the co-prime and the prime factorization of q is of the form of 2 to the power of n, 5 to the power of m, where n, m are non-negative integers. Already you know n and m are the non-negative. Non-negative means minus sign. Okay, non-negative integers. Okay children, you see theorem. You do it in second one and third one using the prime factorization method. Theorem. Let x be a rational number whose decimal exponential terminates, then x can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are co-prime and the prime factorization. This is a statement. What is this? This is a statement. Okay, co-prime, prime factorization, of q is of the form 2 to the power of n and 5 to the power of m, where non-negative integers. Okay, you see children, let x be a rational number. Already you know rational number, where whose decimal exponential, already you know decimal point something is there now, that is the decimal exponential, terminates, then x can be expressed in the form of, this is the rational number, p by q is the rational number, where p and q are the co-prime, 2 are the co-prime and 5 also co-prime, means 2 co-prime number is also called as co-prime. Okay, and the prime factorization of q is of the form of 2 to the power of n and 5 to the power of m, where non-negative integers. We should take any one integers, so that is a non-negative integers. Okay, so you see, you are probably wondering that happens the other way around in the, that is the where rational number of the form p by q. So proof. What is the proof? P by q is the rational number form. Okay, the prime factorization of q and of the form q. P by q is the rational number form. Rational number. Okay, and q is of the form 2 to the power of n N and M are the non-negative terms. N, M are the non-negative terms. Non-negative terms. Are you understood that? Then does P by Q have a terminating decimal exponential? Terminating is nothing but we should coming in only one prime number is coming means that is the terminating. So many using the composite number, using the denominator, so many composite number coming means that is the non-terminating numbers. Okay children, so you see this is the non-terminating. Are you understood? So P by Q is the rational number. Q is in the form of 2 to the power of Q. Where is that Q? Okay, Q denominator is in the form of 2 to the power of N and 5 to the power of M. N, comma M are the non-negative terms. Okay children, so you see a rational number is in the form of A by B. Have you got it? So only you should take P by Q? No, you should take in A by B also. Okay, integers you should take any integers. Okay, where B is the power of 10. So B is denominator is in the power of 10. We'll add terminating decimal exponential. 10 is take 10, 100, 1000. Okay, you should take the many more numbers. Okay, but decimal exponential to make sense converted into rational numbers of the P by Q, where Q is the to the power of N and M to the power of N, equivalent rational number. Already know equivalent rational. You should give any fractions means all numerator and denominator. So equivalent fractions. Okay children, we should take for example 3 by 7 means 3 into 1 by 7 into 1. 3 by 7 you should multiplicate equivalent 3 to the 6, 7 to the. So 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14. Okay. And you take 3 to the 2 7 the. Okay. 3 by 7. 3 to 3 the. Okay. 3 by 7 now. This also 3 by 7. Now take 3 by 7 is equal to 3 into 3 by 7 into 3. 3 3 is 9 and 7 is 21. 3 3 is 37. Okay, this is the equivalent fraction. Okay, got it? This is the equivalent fraction. So you should multiply any proper fraction coming in last answer is equal. Okay. Otherwise, this is the equivalent rational number of the form A by Q. You should take many more example is there children. We should take 3 by 8. This is the one of the proper fraction. Okay. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay children, this is the proper fraction. Okay, do the examples. Are you understood this? Converted into the rational number in rational form into the decimal form. So you should take the first one example 3 by 8. Okay, this is the numerator. This is the denominator. Okay children. So you should take 8 denominator. You should take the 3 means 3 ones are 3. 3 into 1 is nothing but 3 only. You should take 8 means 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 ones are 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Okay, 2 to the power of 3. Okay children, here 3 by 2 to the power of 3. Next, you should multiply. This is 2 to the power of n, m to the power of n. This is the form of 5 to the power of 3 and 5 to the power of 3. Okay, to see 5 to the power of n. So 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. 125 into 3. You should multiply. 3 5 is 15. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. 3 1 is 3. What is that? 375. Here 2 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. This is 125. 8 5 is 40. 4. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 20. 8 1 is 8. 8 plus The example show us how we can convert into rational number of the form p by q, where q is the form of this is the p by q. P by q. Q is the form of 2 to the power of n and 5 to the power of m. Okay, children. So equivalent rational numbers in the form of equivalent rational number, equivalent rational number. Rational number is a by b. Power is 10. Therefore, the decimal exponential such as rational number terminates. Rational number is terminate. Let us write down our result formally. Okay. Therefore, so in the theorem 8.6 is that let x is equal to p by q be a rational number such that prime factorization. We should take in any number rational number using the prime factorization method is very easy. Okay. Q is in the form of 2 to the power of n and 5 to the power of m, where n and n comma m are the non-negative integers. Then x has a decimal exponential which terminates. Okay, children, we should copy that. Now next, given in some proper fraction, how to convert it into the, so in terminate, so last coming answer is, so you do the 1 by 7. How to solve that 1 by 7? You see, you take the example. Which fraction is this one? 1 by 7. This is the proper fraction. This is one of the rational number and proper fraction. So you see example 1 by 7. How to do this one? This is using division method. Okay. So 7 divisor, 1 is the dividend. Okay. So you should put point. You should take 0. 7 ones are 7. Still 3. Already put point. You should take 7 4s are 28. So still 2. Sorry. So you should put 0. 7 3s are 7 2s are 14. So still 6. Okay. Next 7 8s are 56. 4 carry. Okay. Now next 7 5s are 7 5s are 35. 5. Okay. 7 7s are 39. Still 1 carry. You should put 7 1s are 7. Okay. Same coming in same. So otherwise stop the division. Okay. 7 1s are 7. Okay. Still only coming this type. Okay. This is the non-terminating. Not coming in divisor. Okay, children. You see still 3. You should put circle. And 2 also still, and 6 and 4 and 5 and 1. Okay, children. You do the whole remainder is still 3 3. Not this is a long division. Not coming in answer. We should do the long division method. Okay, children. So rational number whose decimal exponential is non-terming. Terming and non-terming means rational numbers whose decimal exponentials is called as non-terming and recurring once again. Okay, children. So you see, you should do the copied for the your notes. Now next theorem 8.7. X is equal to p by q be a rational numbers such that prime factorization of q is not of the form 2 to the power of n and 5 to the power of m, where n comma m are non-negative integers. Then x has a decimal exponential which is non-terminating. It is a repeating, recurring From the discussion above, in conclude that decimal exponential of every rational number is either terminating or non-terminating. We shall give the any rational numbers. One is terminating by non-terminating, which any one form is there. Not only in exercise 8 point is there. Okay, are you understood? This one, so terminating is nothing but it is the prime factorization. That have number only one and itself is called terminating. Non-terminating is nothing but the number that has not only one, that is other than one and itself is called as the non-terminating, repeating, recurring. Okay children, you should do so exercise 8.4 without actual performing the long division. State whether, don't use long division method, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal exponential or non-terminating repeating decimal exponential. Okay children, we should take, so how to do solve means we should take the decimal form and non-decimal form. Okay children, we should find out the terminating or non-terminating. I will show the one or two examples. We should solve in home. Okay. Exercise 8.4. Find out which one is terminating and which one is not terminating decimals. Okay, we should take first one, 13 divided by 3125. We should do in down solution. 13. So 13 ones are 13. 13 into 1 is equal to 13. This is a prime factorization. Here 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay, we take 5 is there. 3 ones are 3 fours are not coming. Okay, we should take directly 5. 5 6 are 13. Still 5 2s are 5 5s are. Okay, now take 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 5s are. Okay children, 5 2s are 5 5s are. Okay, 5 5s are. Okay, so 5 factorization is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 to the power of 5. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 to the power of 5 is equal to 13 by 1 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here 13 by 5 to the power of 5. Okay, in this prime factorization, the number having only 1 and itself is called as, in 3125 is called as prime numbers. Prime number is nothing but terminating. Okay, this is which one? This is terminating. Why? Because this is the number only one and itself, the prime number is called as terminating. The number, so the number having only one and itself. Otherwise it is terminate. Okay, you check which one is 5 is the prime number. 5 is prime number. Okay children, 5 is the prime number. So this is the terminating. Which one is terminating? Okay, you check in second one and third one. So second one is terminating, third one is non-terminating, fourth one is terminating, fifth one is not terminating. Sorry, first one is terminating over, second one is terminating, third one is non-terminating, fourth one is terminating, and fifth one is non-terminating, sixth one is terminating, and seventh one is non-terminating, and eighth one is terminating, ninth one is 50. So this is terminating, and 10th one is non-terminating. We should check. Okay, numerator and denominator also we should check which one is coming. One or two terms in prime factorization is called the terminating. In coming in both means we should take another. So we should take the numerator and denominator coming in prime numbers more means that is the non-terminating. So this is the homework. Okay children, exercise 8.4 in first main, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. Okay, do the homework. Now next easy is that don't use long method. We should check prime factorization method. Okay, we should complete means. Now next write down the decimal explanation of these rational numbers in question 1 above which have terminating decimals exponential. Okay, yav means which one above examples which one is terminating decimals, you only check that. Already in first one already check it. Now next once again you should check the examples. Okay children. So in second main, so first one 13 by 3,125. Okay, already you know 2 to the power of n, 5 to the power of m. Okay, you see 13 ones are 13. Okay, so you should take the 325. How do you know? 5 6 are 5 2s are okay, 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 2s are 5 5s are. So here 5 5s are. Okay, so you should write 13 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay children, you see 13 into 2 to the power of 3. You see the example 1 in first decimal exponential is there now 2 to the power of n. So otherwise we should multiply 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of how many powers is there? 5. 2 to the power of 5 and 5 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 5. Okay, you see 13 into 2 into 1 2 3 2 into 2 by 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 1 2 3 5 into 2 into 5 into 2. So 2 2 2 2 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here 13 into 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16 16 2s are 32 10 1 2 3 4 10 into 10. Okay, 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 into 10, 10,000. 10,000 into 10, lakh. Okay, yes. How many zeros is there? So, lakh means 5 zeros. Okay, in Indian number system, we should put in first 3 digit comma, after 2 digit, after 2 digit. So 32 into 13, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 6. So yeah, how many? 3 plus 11, 416. 32 into, okay, 4 and 6. How many? We should do the 460. How many? 460. And here 1 lakh. Okay, children, 0.00416. 0.00416. You do the now next. Which one is terminating? Which one is decimal exponential? Which one is non-decimal exponential? You only check it in still 8 problem also homework, 9 problem also homework. Okay, children. So this is one of the extra method is there. Okay, to the power of n, how many is coming is you should put that. So yeah, sorry, 5 to the power of 5 now. Okay, 5 to the power of 5. You should put the values. Okay, children. In last one in this exercise, we should do in second one also. Okay. The following real numbers are decimal exponential as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. Okay. If they are rational means, if they are rational means which form will be represent means P by Q form. What can you say about the prime factors of Q? Okay, prime factors means so given question is rational numbers means we should put in Q. How many powers is there? That only find out. Okay, children. And to the last one. Okay, so we should write the not counting 43 point. We should check it. Which one is terminating? Which one is non-terminating? Okay. So this is the terminating means this is a prime. So that number having only one and itself, this is the terminating point. The number which have other than one and itself is called non-terminating. That is a non-terminating number. This is a composite number. So given in composite number, many more prime numbers is coming means that is a non-terminating number. Okay. So the given in third one, first one is the given real number is first one 43.1234 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you should count that. So 43.1234 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so find ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores. Okay, so the given real number solution. The given real number is terminating. It represents a rational number. So how to represent a rational numbers? 43.12345678 9. Okay, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Sorry, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, should put point 0 3 digit 2 2. Okay, so in merge both also 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Here 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 10 to the power of 9. Okay. So Q is quotient is how many? Q is equal to 9. Okay, children. Q is equal to the value of Q is equal to 9. Okay. You see, are you understood? How many terms is in the right side only? You should count them. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, children. So in given second one, so 0 0.1201201000120012 4 digit zeros. So this is the rational numbers or irrational numbers. This is not a uncountable. Otherwise, the given real number is non-terminating. Second one is the given real number. So this is the uncountable number. Otherwise, the number is non-terminating. Why? Because the number is uncountable. Second one is 0.1201201200120000. This is countable. This is uncountable. This is uncountable. Countable. Otherwise, it is non-terminating. 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 And it is a irrational number. Irrational number. Okay. Now next, we should in 43 point. Which one is that? So 43.123456789. So that one is there. Okay. So 43.123456789. You should put the bar. Okay. So we should means prime number is equal to prime. So we should mark 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the power of 9. Okay. So Q is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Q is equal to 9 to the power of 8. Okay. So 9 to the power of 8. So which one is? So terminating. Okay. Which one is? So the rational prime factor is, therefore the rational prime factors of Q will also have a prime factor other than 2 and 5. So you will see, children, in theorem also, so 2 to the power of n, 5 to the power of n. N and m is the non-negative terms. So in explaining this revisiting of rational numbers and then decimal numbers is depend upon the terminating or non-terminating prime factorization and is that. Okay. And rational numbers P by Q form. Okay, children, are you understood? So this one terminating and non-terminating, you check it exercise. This is the homework you do. So in both numerator and denominator, so using the prime factorization. Okay, children, this is there. You should do the home. Okay, here homework exercise 8.4 and first one and second one do the homework. do homework book. Okay, thank you children. 1 and half.